Hey there, this is Sugarcoder. I got these adorable coffee stencils not too long ago and I want to use them to decorate cookies instead. So I used a cutting mat from Dollar Tree and cut square shapes that are about 5.5 by 5.5 inches. I made sure that the size fits my cookie stencil holder. Then I placed a coffee stencil in the center and cut out a square like this. I made sure that the square was slightly smaller than the coffee stencil so that I can use tape to hold down the stencil. And this is pretty much how I turned coffee stencils into cookie stencils. Do you have stencils this small or used it on drinks before? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and tell others about it. Thank you for your support and have a sweet day.